Carabajo from Weichert Realtors. Welcome to this beautiful multi-family home located in 1616 Grier Avenue in Linden, New Jersey. Welcome. As we enter, a spacious living room with wonderful light and a beautiful bay window where you can enjoy the view of a quiet neighborhood. The first bedroom, which is the master bedroom. Very spacious. Now we are going to the third room that you can use your imagination as an office room, or if you have kids, you can use as a room for the kids. And the bathroom is a full bathroom, standing showers, eating kitchen, very well maintained, with a surprise for you, and enjoy the view, where it has a little space for you to do your barbecue and an extra parking where you can fit 2 cars with a brand new vinyl fence. As you come in, you can see we have a wonderful space that you can use it as a recreational. It has a bonus room right in the right side. The good thing about this basement is that you have a private entrance. Full bathroom. Extra room for any activity that you would like to, and the machines were updated. Toilets were installed now in January 2020. I hope you like it. It's a great opportunity, investment opportunity for you. The second floor is exactly the same as the first floor, and if you have questions, please don't forget to contact me. Bye.